guys. So today we're gonna head to San Jose. So I took advantage of that. I pulled the hatch out. I have my 85 gallons over there, so we take those with us, top it off, and then we'll be set for a while. We're gonna go pick up Jerry's wheels. The other day we just dropped them off at Speed Element. They should be mounted and everything up by now, and then we're gonna drop off some injectors for my buddy George. Before we go though, what do you guys say if we fire this thing up for a little bit? This thing does not like cold starts. Yeah. Let's keep my foot on the gas pedal or else it dies out. It's till it warms up. See what I mean? Sick. Alright, it's idling now. Another thing I got done this morning is I got the wing put on, that $80 wing. Doesn't look too bad. I found a donor car for this thing. It's an Integra. It's a DB8 with the crash on end, but the car still runs and drives. So sometime this week I'm going to go over there and start pulling the motor out. Probably get that out. And then I need to start prepping this engine bay. Just going to clean it up a little bit. I'm probably going to just scuff it, give it a quick paint. Go through that wiring harness. It looks like a mess right now. And then reinforce that mount. And then clean them up a little bit, polish them out maybe. We'll see. I don't want to get too carried away. It's still a beater, but I want it to look nice. I got the hatch back in the garage. These are empty. This is why I love this thing so much. This is why it's such a practical car. Look at all that room. Beautiful California. Beautiful California. Unfortunately, we couldn't get the tires mounted. This valve stem hole is like super tiny. It's way smaller than anything we could find. We went to America's Tire. They didn't have it in stock. So we're gonna search for the right size. So we just heard of a car meet. I'm gonna meet up with a few buddies and then we're gonna cruise on over and hopefully we get some good footage for you guys. It usually gets pretty wild over there, so we're gonna try to stay out of trouble. That being said, that's why I watched the Type R and not the hatch. Alright guys, we're waiting for one more car at the meetup spot. We drove past it on the freeway and the place looked packed already, so hopefully we can still find some parking. Hey, there he is. Alright, since the cops showed up, we're gonna go to the next spot, which is a town over in Morgan Hill. Let's roll. Well, tonight was a fail. There's already cops at the second spot by the time we got there, so we're just on our way home now. That's it for this time. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you guys think. I'm holding off a little bit longer on all the good stories.